kill me if I tell you that I haven't watched Sholay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Real? Hi Ria, good evening. How are you?
Good evening to everyone. I am good. मतलब जितना अच्छा हो सकता कोविड में उतनी अच्छी मैं हूँ. So that's good.
So safe from COVID, na?
Yes, safe from COVID, vaccinated, all good. What about you?
Nice, nice. Safe from COVID, but not vaccinated yet.
Okay, you will be soon.
So अभी क्या? What are you doing now? Like अभी खाली टाइम में because Sunflower तो अभी रिलीज हुआ तो उसका तो काफी hype है.
Yeah.
So are you getting messages and all कि यार nice work and everything?
Yeah, actually, my inbox on Instagram is flooded, and I didn't expect so much love coming in for Sunflower because it's such a big cast. We have Sunil Grover, we have Ashish Vidyarthi, we have Ranveer Shore.
Right, Ranveer Shah.
All of these people, the audience is appreciating the newer actors also like myself. So that's great. I have new messages in my inbox every day on Instagram, and people are saying, "We love her look, we love her attitude," and yeah, it's all good for me to hear. All hard work,
That's nice.
always good. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. No, I was doing my homework, so I read that the sunflower role which you got is you the personality of your character was totally opposite to yours, which you are in real life.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like how hard it was to cope up with that character.
I think in the beginning, now it was not hard. It was just very funny because I was trying to be slightly boyish and I was trying to be slightly edgy, and it was just looking funny. So we had to do a few workshops with the director, with Vikas Bahl and with Rahul Sengupta, जो हमारे directors हैं. तो उनके साथ I think the first time when I met them ना, and a little bit mistake on my part also because I dressed up like myself and went. So I dressed up in a cute blue color dress, blow dried my hair, looked very nice and cute and went to meet. And then they saw me and they were like, "Ye paddy hai." No, 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 no. Then next day onwards, whenever I met them, I always, dressed up in baggy clothes and tried to look like my character a little bit. So yeah, it wasn't hard. It was just a lot of fun because Vikas sir and Rahul sir, they know exactly what they want. उनको पता था इसलिए
Right.
उन्होंने look tests भी किए मेरे साथ because they wanted to
Okay.
see me transform. So after many look tests, we decided on this is the look for this character, and that's when we began. And another thing is that when you get into those clothes, and when you start doing all your training, like I had to learn how to ride a bike for this. So when you start doing all of that, you automatically start feeling like it, and when you're feeling
Right.
like it, start projecting it on the screen.
Acting. So how about those hairs? They transformed your hairs. Like,
Yeah, so a lot of people ask you about that actually. So actually मेरे performance के बारे में कम मेरे look के बारे में ज़्यादा question आ रहे हैं on my Instagram. Yeah, so the hair, initially they wanted me to cut my hair. They wanted it to
Oh.
go completely short, and
Mhm.
of course could not do that. I mean, I would have, but I had a prior commitment with another wonderful film that I'm doing with Golden Gate Motion Pictures, which you will all see soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that. Uh, and so I couldn't let go of my crowning glory for that. And fairly so because they came up with another solution for it, which were these dreadlocks, cornrow.
Dreadlocks.
And yeah, it used to take 1.5 hours every day with 4 people surrounding me and doing my braids.
Hmm.
So very मजा आता था. And it used to take so much time to do, so I used to just leave it overnight and go home like that only and come back the next day with that hairstyle. तो एक
Okay.
हफ्ते की तरह वैसी थी, मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे वैसे देखा and it was all very a
So
lot.
when they first time saw you in dreadlocks, they were like, "नहीं, तू रिया नहीं हो सकती." Like
Yeah,
something like that, your friends.
yeah. They were really shocked. My friends were really shocked. And my parents were very, very confused कि क्या हो क्या रहा है exactly.
Yeah.
But then, slowly that look starts growing on you. And then people were like, you know what, actually,
Okay.
so now people think I'm very I don't have that hair anymore. Yeah.
Okay. Nice, nice. That's nice. Okay, so now let's start. थोड़ा बहुत past में जाते हैं. Knowing about you. So I heard that you were a dancer. You have completed like your exams in Bharatnatyam. You learned Bharatnatyam, and so I want to know like how that passion came for dance.
So, I've been dancing since I was a little kid, because I had a lot of energy and it had to go somewhere. So my parents thought that dance is a good way. So they just put me into these Western dance classes and I was having a lot of fun. Then as I was growing up, I think I was around like 11 or 12 years old, when my dad realized that like it's about time कि मेरी बेटी में थोड़ा सा ग्रेस आ जाए. तो वो ग्रेस मुझ में डालने के लिए उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं तुम्हें भरतनाट्यम क्लासेस के लिए आई थिंक यू शुड स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. ऐसा
Okay.
ग्रेस आ जाता तुम्हें. एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज अ फैब डिसीजन दैट ही टुक.
Right.
But
Right.
I got to this beautiful dance form, and it's really lovely. And I have so many wonderful memories from learning Bharatnatyam with my guru. And I've
Right.
changed gurus, so I've learned, trained under different people, so I have a different perspective of it also. So yeah, that's been really nice for me.
And classical actually helps you, learning classical dance or music, it helps you to, cope up in the Western part also. Like you
Yeah,
know the basics, so you can really perform good there.
yeah, totally agree, totally agree.
Right.
And
Because yeah, yeah.
personally,
Yeah,
it
please
really
speak.
helps me acting also because in Bharatnatyam you have so many abhinaya. So I think that's where I started becoming confident कि the expressions जो मैं देती हूँ वो actually नौटंकी नहीं है,
Hmm.
अभिनय है. So yeah.
Yeah, I read a joke like people joked on you like when you were, even when you didn't know how to walk, from that time you were dancing.
Yes, true. That is very true. Mom still says that before you could learn how to walk, you were dancing only.
Dance करते. Typical Indian moms.
Typical Indian moms. मेरी बेटी सबसे अच्छी.
Yes. मेरा बेटा मेरी बेटी सबसे अच्छी है.
सबसे अच्छी. Correct.
Right. So how come from shifting, like why didn't you pursue your career in dance? Why shift from dance to acting or into this film industry?
Interesting question. I've never really thought about it. Hmm. Yeah.
Like if you would not gone into acting, would you have pursued dancing for your career or you become a choreographer or something or assisted someone?
No, I think dance was always a hobby and it was just something I liked to
Okay.
do in my spare time. I didn't see it as a career. Yeah, and if not for acting, I had a very different route planned altogether, but dance was not one of the routes.
So what was that route?
Pretty shocking actually that my mom's side of the family is in the Indian Army. So उनका पूरा army background.
Okay.
I've grown up, in with my cousins and all on the army lands, and that's been
Nice.
amazing. I've always loved defense का life, और मुझे हमेशा से लगा that I think I would not join the
Go
Indian
into
Army,
defense.
but I was studying biology and I was thinking I could join the Indian Army as a doctor. So that would
Doctor,
have
right.
and that was my plan till my 11th standard until everything
Oh,
suddenly
great.
yeah.
No, one common thing we have. My father just retired from Indian Army, so I was actually also planning to join the army. I gave exams, but due to medical reason, they didn't pick me up. So I just left that field and joined this thing.
Very
Great.
reasonable यार.
And
मैं हमेशा लोगों को बोलती हूँ that हमारे देश में ज्यादातर पेरेंट्स चाहते हैं कि उनके बच्चे they become doctors or engineers or lawyers, but I think we should start encouraging our children to even get into the armed force, the army, navy, the air force. ये भी बहुत respectful professions हैं, and I really wish that our younger generation can understand that this is something great to be a part of and not just IAS and IPS.
Right, right. Paddy, your character in Sunflower, would she, to join Indian Army, like the way she behaves or the way her nature is? Would she? Do you feel like she would have thought to join Indian Army sometime in her life?
Yeah, I think she totally would. I mean, अगर आप पैडी के costumes देखो, in one of the scenes, she's wearing a camouflage trouser.
Yeah.
So मुझे totally लगता है कि ये लड़की तो मतलब ये तो कर ही लेती, you know.
वो बनी
She has
Kusumbhi.
that fight in her, so I think she
Yeah.
would have, yeah.
Great, great. And you have a dance film coming up also, right?
I have a dance film coming up. Yeah. That film is in pre right now. I mean, like we're working on it. The script is in development. You know, we're still building the team. But that film is all about Bharatnatyam and a different take on it. And I'm very excited about that also.
That would be easy for you, right? You know, it's all about Bharatanatyam. You are already full of knowledge about that, so it would be
Yeah,
easy.
that's true. But the twist is कि इस फिल्म में जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो उसमें भरतनाट्यम के साथ साथ स्केटबोर्डिंग भी है.
Okay, it's a challenge.
Yeah, थोड़ा मसाला मार के है.
सही है. Great. So how did you got your first film? Like you actually after becoming the fresh face in 2016, I guess, right? So
Yeah.
how did you get your first film from there? Yeah, like you started with some short films or something, or directly to the Indian cinema feature films?
No, I didn't. Unfortunately, I didn't do any short films. I should have. I still want to. But right after school, I was a part of this Marathi film called Teen Payancha Ghoda. This film is still unreleased, and it's doing well in the festival circuit. And it's with the distributors now. You'll see it soon, maybe in theaters or on an OTT platform. That's been my first film. And how I got that was, I don't remember now. But I think in Bangalore, I was with a modeling agency and उनके contacts थे with a casting director in Mumbai. और उस
Okay.
डायरेक्टर को मेरे फोटोज पसंद आ गया और उन्होंने चाहा कि they want to meet me in person. So I went to Mumbai for that. I met them. I auditioned once. I mean, that time I can speak in Marathi now, a little bit. Should I
Okay.
Hindi, Marathi, or English? How do I?
Nice.
So,
Yes.
I auditioned for it, and after many rounds of audition, I got that film. And it wasn't that difficult because the character was very much like me. So I got a little lucky, I think.
Nice. And then you went for your next film, right? Now,
Yes.
How was the audition for Sunflower?
The audition for Sunflower was actually very cute because it happened last time during the pandemic. So
Okay.
I was at my friend's house and I was spending some time. Actually, I was locked down with her. And that's when I got the audition from a casting director in Mumbai. And they asked me to test for this role. So my friend was just randomly taking an audition for me, randomly in the middle of maybe we were watching a movie or something. And yeah, my first audition itself, which was very unprepared and very unrehearsed, they liked it. And I don't know, Vikas sir and Rahul sir might have seen Paddy in me. और जो उन्होंने देखा उनको शायद पसंद आ गया और फिर हो गया.
That's so nice. Nice. So
It's
like
commenting. I can see
Yeah.
my friends, Nisha and Ria and Shiv and everyone commenting saying that they are my biggest fan. They are just teasing me. So hi guys.
one question like how is Sunil Grover different? You know, we have seen him in Kapil Sharma show. You know, totally playing those unrealistic characters of Guthi and Dr. Gulati, joking around on everything. So is he like that in real life, or he's a serious kind of person?
He is even funnier than what you saw him on screen. Yeah.
Oh, so he is resembles the way he was in the film.
वो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ लोगों के अंदर ह्यूमर इनहेरेंट होता है. So
Right.
he's one of those guys. He can make a joke out of anything. And really, it's been amazing working with him. He's very funny.
You might have felt nervous sometimes, right? Working with Ashish Vidyarthi and Sunil Grover and Ranveer Shori. So did they help you in coping up with that nervousness in some or the other way? Or you forgot some scenes with them, like when you had scenes with Ashish Vidyarthi or Ranveer Shori or Sunil Grover. So it was like you were nervous and you forgot like I forgot, sorry. I just zoned out because I'm standing or sitting in front of Sunil Grover or Ashish Vidyarthi.
No. Short answer is no. I was always very excited about it, more than nervous. Maybe Ashish sir के साथ थोड़ा in the beginning I was nervous बिकॉज ही हैज अ वेरी इंटिमिडेटिंग पर्सनैलिटी ना. और वो साउथ इंडियन एक्टर हैं और ज्यादातर उनकी साउथ इंडियन फिल्मों में उन्होंने एंटागनिस्ट का रोल प्ले किया है और बहुत अच्छे से प्ले किया है. So, you know, they say that when you genuinely hate an actor on screen, that means he's a very good actor if he's playing an antagonist. So I was a little scared about that, but the first day जब मैं उनसे मिली, just एक ice breaking session के लिए, मुझे इतना मजा आया उनके साथ, इतना मजा आया उनके साथ. He is equally as funny as Sunil Grover, let me tell you that. And his humor is very witty. तो मुझे याद है मेरा फर्स्ट सीन जो हम शूट कर रहे थे आशीष सर के साथ सनफ्लावर के लिए. विकास सर भी ऐसे डायरेक्टर है ना कि उनको स्क्रिप्ट का कोई प्रेशर नहीं है. अगर एक एक्टर उनको बोले कि सर मुझे लाइन नहीं बोलना है, ही विल बी लाइक यू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट. तो वैसे हुआ हमारा फर्स्ट सीन जो आप सनफ्लावर में देखेंगे, जो मेरा आशीष सर एंड सोनल मैम का है, that was off script completely. It was made on the spot, except that one line which is पूरी दुनिया को पता चल जाएगा कि तू गेम में जा रही है. So that was the only line which was like there. Otherwise, everything was on the spot. And he is a fantastic co-actor. Made me feel very comfortable, and I learned so much from him. So it was all great.
So in between the shoots, कुछ मस्तियाँ होती थी, like some pranks or something, because Sunil Grover, as you said, he is as equal as funny as he was in the show. So something, some prank might would have happened.
अरे पक्का. Every day, I'm telling you ना, it's like it was a lot of fun because it didn't feel like work. And I think I've been, very blessed that all the projects that I've worked on, including Manmoji with Golden Gate Motion Pictures, it's like these people become your family, and work does not feel like work. It really feels that you're, on a vacation. It feels like you're having fun with your friends. तो सुनील जी के साथ ऐसा ही था, विकास सर के साथ ऐसा ही था. हमारे ज्यादातर कॉन्वर्जेशंस और मस्तियां खाने के ऊपर होती थी, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ अस वर बिग फूडीज ऑन द सेट, स्पेशली विकास सर. या So I think the first question of the day used to not be कि आज पहला शॉट कौन सा है. Instead, the first question used to be आज खाने में क्या है. तो ऐसा आप सोच ही सकते हैं कि ऐसे माहौल के साथ मस्तियां तो होनी ही है. So yeah, it was very nice like that.
Okay, so एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर करते हैं. Okay, let's, मतलब ऐसा कोई कंपल्सरी रैपिड फायर नहीं है. You can take your time to answer. But there are a lot of questions. Just a second, let me get my card. Yeah. So I'm starting segment is.
अभी तक प्रेशर नहीं था, अभी प्रेशर आ गया to prove myself.
No, I thought let's do that coffee shots वाला thing. But उसको replace करके मैं water shots रखने वाला था कि let's drink water. But
I mean, that would have been fine. वैसे तो I have a horrible habit of not drinking water, so that would have helped वैसे.
So that would have been good, na? I should keep that now. Okay, so starting with the question. First question is, where does Viru propose to Basanti in Sholay? The place.
You guys kill me if I tell you that I haven't watched Sholay.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Really? Really?
Sholay, I know. Oh God. Losing followers is 3, 2, 1. I've not watched it.
God. So Sholay released the second time in 3D for our generation.
What are you saying? Really?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
In 3D. It was the whole movie was converted into 3D and they released it again in the theaters.
Wow. I did not know that. अभी तो देखना ही पड़ेगा that time.
Answer is on the above the water tank, standing above on the water tank. He proposed Basanti.
Well.
0 points. Okay. What was Shakti Kapoor's name in Andaz Apna Apna? Now this you have to know. It's very easy. Everybody knows it. Don't laugh.
No, I don't know. Oh God.
Okay. Do you know? This is very famous, Riya. Like Crime Master Go-Go.
यार नहीं यार. Actually, I've not even seen अंदाज अपना अपना ना. अबे बोलो.
So it doesn't matter, yaar. Everybody has his name. Like Crime Master Go-Go. Shakti Kapoor has this thing patented.
Damn, too bad.
Okay. अच्छा ये तो पता होगा. In Karan Arjun, who was Karan and who was Arjun?
Listen, you realize कि ये सारे movies मेरे generation के नहीं है ना? Like
हाँ.
हम लोग करण अर्जुन and शोले देख के बड़े नहीं हुए हैं. We've grown up watching I don't know, like you can say Three Idiots and Kal Ho Na Ho and all that. So
Yeah, but these are the epic movies.
I know
Karan
that.
Arjun and
But all my friends in Mumbai will tell you that Riya has pathetic film knowledge. Pathetic. Not something to be proud of. Sorry. So 3 points gone for
Sorry? What?
3 points gone.
No. अच्छा, let's go with the next segment. Songs तो सुने होंगे थोड़े old type के, या that's also in new, पूरे new
चलो.
songs है.
Like थोड़ा थोड़ा because of my parents I listen to old songs. But इतना भी नहीं कि मैं जीत पाऊँ round, but let's try.
So you have to complete the line. Okay, I'll say you don't have to sing. Like, if you know the lines, you have to just recite those lines in normal pace.
Okay.
Okay. तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए.
तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए. चलो.
Okay, finally.
Thank God.
रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार तेरा दीवाना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना.
भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए.
It's right, but you cannot sing. Okay, fine. 2 points. Okay, so the next song is Shining in the Shaded Sun. Next, what? Complete that English line.
Like a pearl upon the ocean.
Yeah,
Come
great.
heal, come heal me.
me.
You're going easy on me. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, the next segment is
A friend of mine from Bangalore commented, "Wow, Riya, music your favorite." उन सबको पता है कि मैं म्यूजिक गवार भी हूँ.
अच्छा, अब इतना गा दिया था ना वो लाइन, तो थोड़ा सा सिंगिंग.
What are you saying? I can't. तो आपको चाहिए क्या कि गोल्डन गेट मोशन पिक्चर्स के सारे फॉलोअर्स भाग
नहीं जाएगी. आई गारंटी योर वॉइस इज सो स्वीट, नहीं जाएंगे.
Okay, what song?
सुरताल की जरूरत नहीं, सुरताल की जरूरत नहीं है.
सुरतार की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, what song should I sing? आप बताओ.
तेरा होने लगा हूँ, if you know the song.
How does it start?
Shining in
Like
the.
this one. Okay, हाँ. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and heal me. Come feel me. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and heal me. Come heal me. Then, what is the main Hindi track? कैसे start होता है?
तेरा होने लगा, but cute. Your voice is cute, na? That's why what I said.
Please. I bet Vinod sir watching this live right now. He's like, किसको heroine बना?
Okay, let's hop on to the next game. It's hot or not. You have to tell. I'll say a person's name, an actor's name, then you have to tell whether you find him hot or not. Okay. So the first name is Shahid Kapoor.
Hot. Definitely 100,000%. Shahid Kapoor is my favorite actor, by the way. So yeah.
Nice. Akshay Kumar.
Hot because of his business acumen.
Okay. Sunil Grover.
Hot because of his talent.
Okay. Bhushan Patil.
1000% hot. Hottest.
I knew. I already knew it while I was writing this these names. I already knew it.
He's Maharashtra's hot man. Are you kidding me? Of course.
Person, yeah. Ranveer Singh.
Hot. But I had to think about that because
Yeah. So he is mediocre, like hot, not के बीच में.
I mean he is hot, but Shahid Kapoor is hotter. Let's just.
I'm gonna ask Bhushan in next live whether he finds you hot or not.
I want to know this answer. If he says no, na. If he says no, na. देख लो.
Bhushan, if you are watching this, sorry, but I'll ask this.
you need to say yes to that question.
Okay, so the next question is I'll give you two names and you have to tell me what pickup lines would the following person would say to impress you.
Okay.
Okay, the first is Bhushan Patil.
Bhushan should just say, uh, Bhushan should just say, चलो रिया जाके शीतल मैम की टांग खींचते हैं, and I'll get excited. That's enough to get me excited with Bhushan.
तो टांग खींची गई है शीतल मैम की बहुत बार सेट पे.
आपने लिसन, सब लोगों की टांग खींची गई. शीतल मैम की टांग खींची गई, मेरी टांग खींची गई, भूषण की टांग खींची गई. विनोद सर की टांग हम खींचने की कोशिश करते थे, लेकिन विनोद सर डिफेंड्स हिमसेल्फ वेरी वेल. ही हैज वेरी गुड कमबैक्स. सो या.
Okay, Sunil Grover.
Sunil Grover should just say that the line that he says in Sunflower to me, he says very sweetly, he says, "Hello, are you okay?" And he does this. So that would be very cute of him if he says that.
That's cute. And your favorite actor, Shahid Kapoor. If he makes
Shahid
it.
Kapoor says hi also, na? That is my pickup line. He should just say hi. Enough. That's enough.
That's Tiger Shroff.
Uh, 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 um. Tiger should just say, Riya, तुम्हें. Okay, chalo. This I was going to make a joke, but it's very bad. Anyway.
I understand.
Tiger should say, Riya, मुझे तुम्हारे सामने कोई और दिशा नहीं दिखती.
Oh. Okay. दिशा उससे गुस्सा हो जाएगी. Okay.
अलग दशा हो जाएगी.
Okay, so hopping on to the next segment. Now, if you get a chance, I'll say the following person's name. If you get a chance to go on a holiday or to some place, where would it be? Okay. So the first person would be Vidyut Jamwal.
Like a holiday, you're saying?
Yeah, holiday or for some place for a dinner, lunch, anything.
Okay. I think with Vidyut Jamal, I'd love to go to to Madagascar or to South Africa, somewhere like in a forest or in a jungle, because उसके पास वो फौजी feel है, so it would be a trip with him.
Right. He has those skills to survive.
Yeah, he has those survival skills and the vibe.
Achha, one question from this. Do you like, going on to these adventure things like going on rock climbing or going for a trek?
Yeah, I love it. Like I said, because army background hai, like we've grown up doing these things. I love it.
Yeah, great. With Kartik Aaryan?
With Kartik Aaryan now, I think Kartik Aaryan ke saath it would be a very fun date in Mumbai in Film City with Vada Pav and Chai.
Total, because it's a desi guy.
Yeah, because he's a desi guy. Yeah. And
Great.
he's also started from very humble beginnings. So
Right.
वो Vada Pav and Chai वो जो staple है ना जिससे शुरुआत की थी, like go back there.
Great. One fun fact: when I was in Mumbai, in January, I was also living in Belapur. So I was not thinking this ki Kartik Aaryan used to live in Belapur and he used to go to the same college which was near my house, DY Patil.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I was like, ki, okay, my struggle days have begun now. I can also struggle. I also be Kartik Aaryan one day.
Very good.
Okay, so next person is Ashish sir, Ashish Vidyarthi.
Ashish sir plays my dad in Sunflower, so I think it would be a little inappropriate to go on a date with him.
No, not a date, like just a holiday or somewhere if you plan.
Okay. So Ashish sir should take me to Ramoji Film City in Andhra Pradesh, because he's from there and he shot there. So I would love it for him to take me on a tour of Ramoji Film City.
Cool. That was nice. You failed in the first segment, but then you coped up.
I did very badly in the first segment. My God, too much.
You should watch Sholay. You know,
Pakka.
actually it was when I was also shocked. Like it was released for our generation to watch that too in 3D. Like the whole film was converted into 3D.
Must do it.
Okay. So moving on, there's this another challenge where you have to create a story, a 3 word challenge. I'll say 3 words. You have to continue, but it should the sentence should come up with a story. Like if I say "मैं तेरा hero," then you have to do something. You have to say 3 words that will continue to that 3 words, and in the end it will make a story.
Okay,
Okay. So I'll start or you will start.
you start.
Okay, fine. मैं रास्ते से बस
So do I have to
3 words.
complete? Like, do I have to say what it is, or do I have to make something up?
You can make up something, but that should be only 3 words. Okay, so I said मैं रास्ते से. So now you can complete only with 3 words, and that should sound like that you're completing a story. You're writing down a story.
ठीक है. So मैं रास्ते से जा रहा था.
Okay. मैं वापस आ गया.
हाँ.
मैं वापस आ गया.
फिर तुझे देखा.
मैंने दरवाजे बंद कर दिए.
क्यों? ताकि मच्छर ना आए.
पर फिर मैंने ऑल आउट भी लगाया.
Good. Good.
That's nice. Do you have something like you start? I'll try to complete.
Okay, fine. Okay. आज सुबह मैंने
वो अटक गया था. आज सुबह मैंने वड़ा पाव खाया.
Okay, but that's 2 words now.
वड़ा पाव खाया.
But vada pav is 1 word ना. अच्छा, okay. ठीक है.
Okay.
आज मैंने वड़ा
के
पाव.
साथ वड़ा पाव अकेले खाया.
Okay. मुझे मिर्ची लगी.
मैंने पानी पिया. मैं क्या करूं, नहीं हो सकता. I drank water.
Correct. So should we continue, or is this over here? Or करें continue?
Yeah.
I have to plug in my charger. Give me one.
Okay, there's a question for you from the audience. The question is like, ask Riya if she's related to the Marathi actors Gauri Nalavade.
You know, I asked my parents this. They have no idea. Actually, like, I wish I was. Even Arun Nalavade, people keep asking me.
So you are not related to them.
Not that I know of. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, not that I know of. But when I meet him one day, I would definitely like to ask him, is there something that you know that I don't know?
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's another question. When her next movie is scheduled to release?
I think Vinod Malgivar of Golden Gate Motion Pictures will give you the right answer to this question.
Yeah. So Nitin asked Vinod Malgivar, ping him. He will definitely.
I think the correct answer is very, very soon, sooner than you think, and it's going to be exciting and amazing, and you guys are not ready for it.
That's great. So दो ही question थे audience के. If somebody wants to ask something, they can just send in the questions. I'll ask her. Oh, आ गया. पहला ही question आ गया. Would you want to work with in future? Okay, so I don't know what's that question about. Work with in future.
Who would I want to
Okay,
work with in the future?
Work with him, I don't know. It's written. Would you want to work with in the future, with whom?
Oh, with whom? Mm.
I don't know. Looking forward to it. Okay, that's great. Yeah. Okay. Continuing, Manmoji was shot in three different places, right? In Nagpur, in Edinburgh, and in Mumbai. Yeah. So, I guess it was your first traveling experience for the shoot.
Yeah, I mean, I that's the first time I've ever traveled abroad for shooting a movie. So that was a brilliant experience. I've also
So,
never been to Nagpur in my life, and that was the first
so,
time हम लोग नागपुर गए शूट करने के लिए और बहुत 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 मजा आया. और
so
मुझे नहीं
how?
लगता कि जब आप ट्रैवल करते हो किसी जगह में शूट करने के लिए आप उस जगह को बहुत ही अलग नजर से देखते हो विच यू डोंट सी एज
Right.
अ टूरिस्ट. सो दैट
Right.
वाज वेरी नाइस. नागपुर एंड स्कॉटलैंड वर बोथ ग्रेट.
So the crew there, the outside India, how it's different from the crew which you were shooting with in India. That did you notice some difference?
I think other than the color of your skin, na, nothing matters. All artists are artists. सब फिल्म मेकर्स को फिल्में बनानी है, अच्छा काम करना है, वो चाहे एडिनबरा स्कॉटलैंड में हो या फिर नागपुर इंडिया में हो. हम लोग जो फिल्में बनाते हैं एक तरह का पागलपन हम सब में होता है. वो चाहे आप दुनिया मतलब धरती पे धरती पे कहीं पे भी फिल्म बनाओ वो पागलपन ही रहेगा. सो नो डिफरेंस.
That's, that's true. So true. Okay, in Manmoji, like you worked with Bhavu Kadam and Jaivan Dwatkar sir, right? So
Yes.
Bhavu Kadam being a comedian, in Marathi film industry, how what's the difference, how or something like that which is different in him than Sunil Grover, or Sunil Grover has something different than Bhavu Kadam. Both are comedians, though there is language difference, but yet.
Very, very interesting question, yeah. I think the answer is um, इन दोनों की पर्सनालिटी बहुत अलग है. भाव कदम सर थोड़े काम है, मतलब वो है मजेदार है बहुत, लेकिन उनको थोड़ा ओपन अप करने में टाइम लगता है. तो मेरे साथ भी ओपन अप करने में उनको टाइम लगा और वो बहुत मजेदार था एक्चुअली. But Sunil Grover gets comfortable with people very fast. The first day I met him only, it's like we became really good friends. So वैसा है. But sense of humor wise दोनों अपने अपने जगह के शेर हैं.
Both are legends,
Yeah,
their
yeah.
comedy is too good, too good. Okay, let's take up few questions. Like there are two new questions. Who's your dream collab as an actor? Yeah, that's a great question. Who's your dream collab as an actor?
My dream collab as an actor is Rajkumar Hirani, obviously. I love Rajkumar Hirani, and I would love to be directed by him. And another dream collaboration would be Tim Burton. He is one of my favorite directors from abroad. So yeah, these two guys would be a
That's cool.
dream.
That's okay. There's another question. Who is your favorite South Indian actor?
Ooh, okay. Other than Ashish Vidyarthi sir, my favorite South Indian actor has to be Mahesh Babu. I think he's fantastic. I love the movie
He,
Bharat and Nenu. Very nice.
his personality is like all his films are related to some kind of social work or a good work. It,
Yes. Yeah, I love it.
I go with Allu Arjun. The dynamic personality he has. He's after that half court dance which came out now in his movie Ala Venkunta Puramalu.
Yes.
I became his fan.
Yeah. Very nice. He is also.
Let's move on to a few questions. People are also sending few questions. So the one question which was mentioned here was, what was your favorite part of playing Paddy Ayer and the biggest challenge playing her?
My favorite part of playing Paddy Iyer was being able to ride that bike how much ever I wanted, all over the neighborhood. And I felt amazing riding the bike. That was my favorite part. And what was the next bit?
And what was the challenge playing it?
The challenge
Biggest
playing it
challenge
was
playing her.
in the beginning, I myself wasn't convinced that I could play. And then later, I got the confidence because my directors believed in me and, they really helped me. So in the starting, it was a little challenging because it was actually funny. Like I said, I was trying to be a boy. तो वो बहुत
Right.
funny लग रहा था. But then later I got into character. फिर like it was fine.
So there's another question. Person is asking, what's your favorite food and a dessert?
What's my favorite food? Okay. So मेरा असली जो favorite food है वो मेरे सिर्फ close लोगों को पता है क्योंकि वो बहुत embarrassing है. लेकिन I'll tell you the acceptable answer. I love misal pav. I love fish. I love all kinds of fish and seafood, and I love sushi. So those are my 3 favorites.
That's nice. Embarrassing कहाँ है इसमें?
नहीं जो असली वाला है मैं बताया नहीं ना अभी. That is, no. I think Vinod sir knows what is my favorite food. Like Manmoji gang knows. But it's too embarrassing to say in public, so I won't tell you that.
No problem. Okay, so somebody is asking, have you ever been to Baroda, Gujarat?
No, I've not. Actually, I've never been to Gujarat only, and it has always been my dream to go to Gujarat during Dandiya time and Navratri, but I just never end up going. So maybe this year or maybe next year.
Okay, Vinod sir is saying, bata do your
Jeez.
favorite food. Okay, there's another question. The person is asking, how was your experience in Nagpur while Manmoji?
My experience in Nagpur is actually amazing. Like I said, I've never been to Nagpur, and it was so memorable. It's Vinod sir's hometown also, and people of Nagpur are so friendly. They're so funny and they're so accommodative. Oh my God! Like it has been amazing shooting in Nagpur. हमें
Thank
ज़्यादा we didn't get to see the city much because we were really busy shooting in our location. But from how much ever little we saw the city, it was really nice, and especially the people. They are what made Nagpur very memorable to me.
Thank you.
Yeah, goes to you. only.
Yeah. I am also from Nagpur, so that's so.
Yeah.
Where do you hope to see yourself in 5 years in your career? Good, she already has a lot of movies lined up, so there's nothing to ask her about where would she.
I
Okay, when-
would have a lot of dreams. Actually, there's a lot of things I want to do in life, and it's not just related to acting. I want to be a filmmaker also. I write. So I want to explore that part of myself. So hopefully in the next 5 years, I'll not just be a really successful and confident actor, but I will also be respected and look forward to a filmmaker also.
So okay, you also have theater experience, right?
I mean, the theatre in Bangalore is very different to that of Maharashtra. In Bangalore, it's more community theatre and it's more English. तो हमारा theatre को मतलब theatre है ही, but it's not the theatre that you guys know.
Okay. So is it difficult? Like you did somewhat theater, you did ramp walk modeling, then you came into acting, and before that you were a dancer. So these are hopping to different fields. So how was that? What difference did you saw in theater, then in modeling, then coming in front of the camera? Because in theater you are live to the audience, right? Then in modeling also you are doing ramp walk in front of many people. Then suddenly you come into films and then there's only one camera, few people standing around you, and you have to act. So how difficult or difference does it make, or how different you felt?
So one thing that is common in between all four is that it thrives on audience appreciation. मतलब जब तक तालियां बजती नहीं है ना तब तक satisfaction नहीं मिलता. So be a dancer or whether you're a model, I mean whether you're on a ramp, but that time of course the claps are for the designer, not for you, or you can think they are for you. And even cinema and even theater, I mean, this is all art that the artist wants appreciation. So that is one commonality. What is difficult is that people think modeling is very easy, but it's actually a very, very demanding profession. There's a lot of pressure, there are a lot of expectations, and there are very, very, very high standards for you to achieve. in modeling, and it's not an easy job, especially if you're a ramp model. Every show you have about 10 to 15 changes. There are people rushing everywhere. There are lots of things that you have to do correctly in order to not mess up that sequence. And besides, the most difficult thing is getting there. बहुत लोगों को मॉडलिंग करना होता है, पर वहां पे पहुंचना और एक्चुअली करना, उसके लिए थोड़ा डेडिकेशन और बहुत सारे गट्स लगते हैं, आई फील. So that's difficult about modeling. About acting, of course, it's sometimes difficult because you have to prep and you have to get into your character. But I've not come across a character जिसके लिए मुझे बहुत ज्यादा mental preparation करना पड़ा है अभी तक. I hope that मुझे फ्यूचर में ऐसे बहुत चैलेंजिंग कैरेक्टर्स और किरदार मिले जिनकी वजह से it keeps me up at night. That has not happened yet. So till now, acting has been only fun for me. And I'm glad that my job pays me to have fun. So again, brings me back to me being thankful to people like Vinod sir जिन्होंने चांस दिया मुझे मजा करने के लिए.
Great. Okay, so what would you suggest if somebody wants to go into acting, or like they want to start a career from modeling, not going for some pageant or direct going into modeling? How they can prepare themselves from their home, because in pandemic these times they cannot go to some institute, right? How they can prepare from their home, and if they want to learn by themselves?
Okay. तो मुझे लगता है ना, बिफोर यू चूज एक्टिंग और मॉडलिंग एज योर प्रोफेशन, आपके प्रिपरेशन के पहले आपको एक बार बैठ के सोचना पड़ेगा कि व्हाई यू वांट टू डू दिस. Is it only, you should not do it just because it's a glamorous field or it's something that brings you a lot of appreciation. You should do it because you genuinely love doing it. अगर आपको प्यार नहीं है ना एक्टिंग और मॉडलिंग से, the pressure will get to you. So that is advice number 1. Be sure that you want to do it. And second of all, I think the advice would be that have realistic expectations. Or to have realistic expectations, you should also keep working on yourself. Like, learn करना और काम करना कभी बंद नहीं होना चाहिए. If you expect that you have to do a really good movie, or you expect that you want to get a really big brand campaign as a model, you have to prove it to yourself that you're worthy to do it. तो अगर actor हो तो acting सीखते रहो. अगर model हो तो खुद के body पे, खुद के poses पे, skin care, hair care, these things are important. So in पे focus करते रहो. So that's it. And the way to start in the pandemic, if you are home, if you want to be a model, there are a lot of agencies. They might be in your city, they might be in bigger cities. Google them, Instagram पे देख लो, reach out to them, उनको email करो. That is one way. Get a really good portfolio and then email it to them. That's the same way. And if you want to be an actor, I think you should start with reaching out to casting directors in your city and doing small monologues घर पे ही, अपने favorite films के monologues लेके उनको practice करो और अपने तरीके से करो. Suppose you are taking a monologue from, say, Sholay, the film which I don't know. So उधर से अगर आप एक monologue ले रहे हो, तो जैसे जय या वीरू वो monologue बोल रहे हैं, आप वैसे मत बोलिए, आप अपने जैसे बोलिए. Then the casting director will be able to see what you are, and then you'll get slowly you'll start getting more and more work, and you'll start becoming more and more confident. And all the best to everybody who's trying.
Okay, cool. So guys, ये सीख थी from an upcoming actress. She is going to be seen in lots and lots of good films. I might personally say you guys कि आप जाके सारे देखें and follow Riya on Insta, so you can get her update. And yeah, there are lots and lots of questions remaining, but due to Instagram's time constraint, we'll continue this chat in next live when Manmoji will be releasing.
Yes.
So
And you should talk a little bit about Manmoji, na? Why don't you say something about Manmoji? आपको क्या लगता है? You have worked on the film. You've met all of us. What do you have to say about Manmoji?
Okay, so nothing much, but look, Manmoji was my first feature film. So I was new to the film, but working in that environment, I worked in the Nagpur, production, like handling all the things in Nagpur. So that was, I thought first of all कि बहुत ज़्यादा hectic होने वाला है, बहुत ज़्यादा pressure रहेगा, and actors would come और वो कैसे रहेंगे. I actually thought कि भूषण, Riya, I was like, okay, इनमें attitude तो नहीं होगा, like they are good actors. Then when Jayant sir came to the set in that office scene when you were shooting, so Jayant sir का first day था. So when he came, And I was like कि इनको कहीं तो देखा है, कहीं तो देखा है. And Vinod sir was standing in front of me. I said कि sir कौन है ये? Like why this much of security? Why giving him this that space to go? Like you don't know him, like no, I actually don't know him. Who is he? Then I recall and like ये तो वो है जो सोनपरी में आते थे शायद. I told my friend, अरे ये वही है जो सोनपरी में आते थे. Then we asked Vinod sir ki what's his name. So he said Jay Natkar. Then I said okay, oh god, he was the person who was in Baby and all and all. Like okay, ठीक है. Then I went down and I talked to him and I was like कि my first thing when I saw him that came into my mind is sir आपका dialogue है ना Baby में, that I remember. Sir कुछ कहना चाह रहा है. And he was like impressed. Okay, so you remember my dialogue. Like, yeah, I remember his dialogue. I remember your dialogue. That was the best part which I remembered from Baby. And yeah, working, it was actually very nice because that was close to Sheetal ma'am. I was working close to I was working close to Vinod sir and Sandeep Kale sir. So these people taught me a lot, especially Vinod sir. He was so friendly that you could ask him anything, any doubt, and he was like, okay, I'll solve this fatafat se. I was like, okay, great. And it was a good start, I guess. And I hope to get more and more films. I hope I get to work in your film someday.
Definitely.
So yeah, so it was a fun experience, and I'm looking forward to continue this journey, continue this path, and make good films, collab with good people, and make good connections. Yeah,
And you will.
yeah. Okay. So it was nice talking to you, Ria, and thanks for coming for a friendly chit chat. And
Thank you for
definitely,
It was so sweet to have
yeah.
me as first guest.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Follow Ria. Follow me also. It's Adu Singh _ official, and it's Ria on Insta. And follow Golden Gate Motion Pictures for more updates. And yeah, मनमोजी जो पूछ रहे थे, definitely you will get an update कि वो कब release होने वाली है. Definitely you're gonna see Ria, going into that love triangle and all. So let's hope for the best. जो बहुत जल्दी release हो जाए. And best of luck, Ria, for your future.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And best of luck
Thank
to you also. Best of luck to us.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.